Hi, I'm Pete with Team Gabriel Coldwell Banker, and I am standing at 15 Sidor Drive. And this is a great area with plenty of shopping and amenities nearby. This is a star-built ranch. It does have swirl ceilings. It has a center I-beam made out of steel, so this guy's not going anywhere. This has thermopane windows. It has an upgraded 200 amp electrical. This home features a separated 2-car garage. It has a nice sized yard, all flat, beautiful. Newer roof, vinyl siding, and it actually has 3 bedrooms with hardwood floors. A nice bright living room, crown molding, and a fully appliance kitchen. This house has a fenced in yard. Perfect for pets, children, things you don't want to roll away out of your yard. This is the best deal in Enfield. With a little TLC, you can make this home your own. If you'd like more information about this home or a private showing, contact me at 860-698-4666 or visit our website at teamgabriel.net, Team Gabriel with Coldwell Banker. I hope to see you soon.
Enfield's best, come take a view. 15 Sidor waiting for you.